What's up, AC girl? I wanna know what good girl Abbi there and showing up people. I know say today a Vlogmas there too. People today a Vlogmas there too. And we are dead already, people. We are dead already. Look. Wanna see me alone na camera? Me alone na camera. Capo dead and gone, people. Capo dead and gone. No, sir. No, them say me are stressful. I forget the people them props all it every year. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. So guys, truth be told, Capo actually sick. Like yesterday morning, him bring out the dog like after 5 in the morning, like outside a clock coldness, outside a clock with coldness. And some of them end up catch, but I don't know, something wrong with him not feel good. So therefore, that's why I made I do the intro. Capo curl up in a bed. I'm feel so sorry for him, so I'm going to go around the soon and ask him if I'm alright and where he wants. And you know what, try be a look good. Girlfriend, girlfriend. Oh God, no people. So right about now, me there, so with my good body son right there, sir. Right there, sir. Don't you save you. And my son that. My son save you. Save you. Baby, save you. Yeah, guys, so right about now, I'll go back in the room and check back out. So if you're new, please to subscribe and join the AC family because, guys, over here nice, and we're nice bed, we're nice bed. Run go over to our comedy channel, Abbi and Capo Comedy TV, with the pranks, challenge us over there. Run go over to Abbi's bad, this is a good girl, also. Wait, I have to show my bathroom. Wait. I will go over to Dirty Capo's TV, guys. Remember to follow up on the gram down below. Also, so right about now, guys, I'm going to look for Capo because I'm still curl up and so. Alright, so come. Guys, that's not so we have to block off, Seven. Okay, no, we're not going to. Seven, no, we're not going to. Hi, Capo. Capo? Guys, I don't talk here because I have enough plans for today, but you know, we have to look if Capo alright. Capo, how are you? You feeling better now? You don't feel better? Lord Jesus. So you can't do nothing today then? Yeah, guys, as we say, we have enough for today. We the plan for do enough things today. I just say, what tear down the place, what say, no, my love. Capo, where say you can't do nothing? No, him don't know, people, him don't know. And today a Vlogmas day 2. Lord Jesus. Tomorrow a Vlogmas day 3 and day 2. We're dead already. You see, we're dead. We're dead in this body. We're dead in. No, my love. So, guys, when I start it out with Capo and then come back on camera, you know, I'm supposed to get well, but I take care of it. So stay tuned. Some people ask Capo what you want to eat. Look at Capo what you want to eat. Eh?
It looks good. The body now, with the relation picture.
Yeah, take that picture. We can't do that. You can't just die here and then we catch up here.
Yeah, applause.
So, what are the plans for today?
Just get better.
To get better, I can't tell you.
You know me how to do, you know. I mean, if you go take it, shape my face, come here, picture, take tomorrow, remember?
Yeah. Alright guys, so Capo said I'm gonna make him tea by himself. Which me can't make it or him make it. So him know for really make it. But me I gotta learn that sometimes I'm sick again and so I know for make it or him make it.
Sure.
So with the everyone like roach. And I'm just supposed to stay in the kitchen, you know. As soon as Capo put the pot on fire where in the mouth. You don't know you're not supposed to be in here? So the boy I passed me a while ago and people I go somewhere where I'm not supposed to go in. I just cage him off. You have to show them discipline. You can't be picking spoil. You have to show them. Make them know what is what. When time they do them wrong, you punish them. Don't give them a really harsh punishment, but make them know say, yeah, what them just do wrong. And after years, me I tell Seven that and Seven just born, you know? And after years, me I tell him that. Yeah. People, guess what? You know someone else I realize say, good girl no beard for me. Good girl no beard yesterday. I swear, people, I swear. To always be late in the night like somebody, not even late in the night, so I tell we are be in the early morning like somebody after 12 and so. So yeah, that's how we never be like in the evening part, so we normally wait till late in the night. But Chu was so tired last night, I do vlog one. People when I used to this, when I used to this, but also go straight in the bed with my phones and stuff. I walk, I'm go so I'm saying, okay, I'm going so. People will never be here, I kept never be either, so don't make any chicken. We're nasty bad, we're nasty bad. So right now, good girl go jump in out the shower and so because me not agreeing today.
Alright people, so here I know, don't miss me no because I sick out and thing, but me I try for the flow.
Yeah, good girl I try to take care of. What me do to feel for morning?
Me don't know.
You know what I'm doing?
Oh, she give me 2 pills.
Oh yeah, I'll do that.
I mean, I pay my own tea because she can't make tea. Them on not for use.
Well, we can't make it all in making people come off to do one because I'm just a Capo, make a tea,
So
yeah.
I don't see in the kitchen, people are walking in the kitchen. Why? Because she... Yeah, that's me a good tea, man.
But anyway, but ask me if you want to maintain, so now you want the garlic. So yeah guys, right about now, sister says she go Fontana Pharmacy. So I just want to reach, yeah. Yeah, and Capo supposed to make 2 tripod delivery because, you know. Yeah, guys. Remember we sell tripod, $1,700 for one, yeah.
Now, your body man, where you want to show body?
No battery this. How we call this? No battery. Wait. No battery call this, Capo.
No, what is that?
I step on my son.
Hey.
Jesus Christ.
Did I alright? Let me go.
I mean, stop me and say I go. They did give a sword.
Brother, go one side, man.
Those. Oh my God.
Come to you. You see? Blind can't live blind people. Me weak out and me sick. I know she's sick.
Guys, I'm telling you this. Yesterday, me definitely sick out yesterday. But literally, say, alright, come care about time for Philly. And I'm just a pass out. So
Yeah.
I'm just drop right on the ground. I don't know if Capo the TB actually practice. So for this, don't wait with Capo in the band. Maybe we could have still practice. Who knows? Yeah, I did too. The Capo sick out. We don't know what take place.
I caught a draft. Yeah, so now must go people. Now I give it a fast deal, is it?
Yeah, because you know good girl go take care of them. Take care of people, man. What you must do? Take care of people,
And
man.
tomorrow, the vlog day 3 and see a nice good video about me. So yeah.
Yeah, guys. Tomorrow. Yeah, guys. So we just go soon back when we reach in the car. So.
We make in pharmacy Fontana. You get it? Okay guys, so now we're in a Fontana pharmacy. Alright. So now they are Fontana people. Abbi. That's our system. I don't know what she name though.
Let me tell the man them. Guys, you say if you don't know the woman them love makeup and stuff, you surprise her with a small Christmas tree like this.
Go see.
Yeah.
Makeup.
In a Fontana go and good.
Escalator. I'm afraid to go for them things, Abbi. No joke, eh? I feel myself, I'm here. So people in a boat system, I like how I go on. No leave a Christmas stuff there, guys. I them say Christmas, I them say Santa Claus.
Capo, you can't go on Santa Claus?
Yeah, Santa Claus. Nobody know Santa Claus.
No, we don't want to see Santa Claus.
Yeah, Santa Claus, old man, you must get covered by now. But if you want Santa Claus about doing them,
Yeah, you have a woman. Yes, that's what they have a woman.
Mrs. Claus, Mr. Claus.
Yeah, guys, Fontana go with themselves. Yeah, but we're fat, we can't come in. We're too fat. I don't want to come in again.
People, Abbi to go buy candy, guys. Watch out. Candy grade! We feel good, we feel so good. I don't know what's happening. What's the man that you carry down with the trailer? People are running from Fontana right now. But we got opportunity to meet somebody, so that's where I go right now, is it? Yeah, so see you guys in a few.
Boy, people. Boy, I don't know, it's like. But just reach home. Well, me just reach home. Keep a gun, a female gun trim. But people, it's like every time good girl go on the road, good girl just feel some type of, I don't know for my mind also. But for me, I dip on the road, for me, I come back home, I just feel so sick. I don't know, but every time I go on the road, that's something I like go on the road, because this corona thing. I don't know, it just, mama get so afraid and so. But anyways, guys, me there alone, what me can do? So people, yes, me telling you so good at Fontana and go on with a bag of things, yeah. Right through. This is start to go on the top. And look here, we call them something again. I don't know them new to me. Yeah, but it's a pepper light in there, yeah. Some nice little decor. And so, and it's going right up the side, right down there, so everywhere. Yeah, guys, so when Capo come back, we're going to fix it up. I should do a walk and I take a decoration and I put them up and tell us to
You're taking too long. I want to see it.
Yeah, guys, so you know, I just done a fresh lineup and shave, you know, because tomorrow is a big day. I'm telling her this still, so yeah, I'm going to barber out the east and thing. And I go up for the other right now, you know why? Because Abbi called me and say, yo, they want to finish decorating the Christmas tree. And me, them wait for me, I don't know what they wait for me for other people, but here, now, I got to see them yesterday and just, you know, follow through and them things. So, I'm soon back from reach up at the yard, so look more. Alright people, I just got back from off on the road and I see some of that trim and thing, so see there? Fresh and thing, you know. So now we're going to decorate the tree.
Yeah.
Look here. I'm going to teach this. I'm in a Fontana farm. The Fontana, if you know watch. I will teach it. Watch out. Really?
What about you say you thief it?
I left my sister alone.
See there?
Guys, what me do is show on this up and close and them things they're selling at Fontana, you know. You know see? Yeah, answer.
Well,
come here, I like the color them more.
you like this more?
But I like it more. People, look better.
Tell him it's a set, it comes in 3 pieces.
Yeah, guys, it's a set. It come in the camera, hold on, man.
I don't want to.
Guys, stay tuned. When I'm ready for light it up like lighter.
Forward again, yeah.
Smiley, I came careful, I'm drink some water. Finish decorating. Look on the tree,
You can see from so far?
What them can see from so far? Yeah. So, we're gonna light it up now, guys. After tree.
Wait. Sing change the song first now.
Baby, when the bright light starts to fade.
Wow.
Fire up the lighter. Float on with the wave.
Okay.
You made me feel lighter.
Ready?
You made me feel lighter. You made me feel.
Okay, well, it look like it now, so we turn on the brightness for this.
Yeah, guys, as you know from start, the team is rose gold and gold and stuff. As I say, I know our idea, I know, I catch a swing.
So I follow through with myself. Can't work, I'll make it work for ourselves. You know,
we have to talk nice and so cut. There, yeah.
I'm flying for the wall.
Yeah, guys, I eat this. Right now, we're going to Capo.
I'm waiting for that.
People, man, we actually, as we tell them, for us, we post to that we say that.
Tomorrow we have to post, we not ask the question.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we have to look forward to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, straight up.
But you don't know what we are doing now. Right, guys, so we're going to find somebody here now.
Watch it, guys. Watch it.
I've been made them see what all the tree is.
What? I'm not going to get back a little bit. Get back a little bit for now.
If you want to believe that. No. Yeah.
Tuck in the belly.
Bomba. How you lie?
Yeah, good girl, I saw. Right true. Vlogmas, they too. Yeah, guys, so right about now, you know. Capo, yeah, Capo.
Welcome.
I got to take up some shit, because I walk and shit on place and so
I'm going to tell you one story about Abbi now.
what?
The thing is, you know, guys, every time you do it outside, you always shovel it up.
I always do that, guys, but sometimes Capo bring the shovel where so when them do it, when someone do it, I can't find the shovel, so therefore the shit I could get left. And you know what's the Capo I forgot find?
Cap.
Yeah, Capo. What?
Yeah, I tell you.
I tell. Yeah, guys.
You know what? Take up the dog shit off the ground.
Capo, I've been
with the
on.
shovel.
I Capo, all the shit on thing going.
You want to look for yourself?
Wait.
But
Alright.
alright guys,
Wait, what is the name though?
I don't know, Capo finally gonna put up that reef something here. Yeah, let him move the head, you know.
How the top right?
Watch let the head, you know, let the favorite alien, but guys, you can't see the alien. Swear the alien broke the camera.
But here now, the focus on this now, have a look on the reef.
So
Reef, don't know what it is. But it just go up, I'm like it, I don't know if I like it still come. I can't see the natural color it have. For me, it look really good and things. So, hopefully enjoy the reef and thing. But in the meantime,
So guys, we are gonna follow Bello now. We're gonna follow Bello now and dirty Capo hungry. So Capo, I go get in the refrigerator and take out the food. Yeah, I don't know if I do look left over for the next day and so if I don't eat off the food and now and then hungry belly. Where? Hungry belly people. We can't deal with hungry belly people. So yeah guys, we're them there. I'm sorry, Capo, watch out, Capo greedy, Capo go on the plate, Capo go on the plate.
I share my food in the national ball my plate.
Come now.
I cannot show them on my plate. Alright, look here. The plate there, but why not for me alone?
Guys, about 7 person in there right now. 7? And guess what? How much piece of chicken?
4
piece of chicken. So you know that go 2 for me, 2 for
2
Capo.
more, oh, you know what I think?
Yeah, awesome. What up is nobody else? Team AC gang right show, right show. So I don't know the good girl there. So what? Hey, yeah girl, boy. Yeah girl, boy. Yeah girl. Bomba people tell me something now, Bob. Yeah girl, boy. Yeah girl, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah. That's so right show.
Abbi, you never did that bubble.
Yeah, I'm so myself in this. I'm not go out myself. Yeah, guys, when I thought before when I come back, when I go see, so it's so people right about now don't take your part take too long. I'm gonna say no sir. If I'm running, I'm gonna start eat. As the make out start my drag my plate and go so pure eating. And last year I forgot to pay the people, forgot to pay the people hungry. God is good. Let us thank you for our food, amen. Capo still honest, so I don't know what Capo weapon. Him don't hungry. That dirty boy don't hungry. We have to cut the time now, so
Guys, I'm telling you the truth right now. I'll be tired out and you look for my head up in guys because I'm sick out people. I don't care no already, so I'm sick. I tell you from morning, so I'm not lie. The vlog will end now, so I'm going to soon tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow I'll feel better and I'll get the good energy because as I say, she weak out and me sick out. So I hope you enjoy the video though. So as if you're new, just please leave a like, comment and make sure say subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, subscribe and turn on the bell because we're going to try and do, all 28 days, almost 25 days worth of vlogging. So make sure to stay tuned for that and look forward to tomorrow because tomorrow is promised to be a very, very, very interesting video. So until then, you don't know say AC Gang is out.